Hey everyone, today I'll show you exactly how to duplicate a website on Squarespace. I'll be doing this in your browser through the Squarespace account dashboard. First, you need to get to your Squarespace account dashboard. If you're currently editing a site, exit the editor and head to the main menu. Scroll down and click your profile picture or initials. That'll take you to the dashboard. If you're not in a site, just go to account.squarespace.com. You'll see your dashboard with all your sites displayed as preview images with their titles and domains. Now locate the site you want to duplicate. Browse through your site listings and find the one you need. Each site shows a preview image and its title, so just scroll until you spot it. Once you've found it, look for the three-dot menu icon on or next to that site listing. Click those three dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several site management options. In that drop-down, click Duplicate Website. A confirmation dialog will pop up asking if you're sure you want to duplicate the site. Click the Confirm button to start the duplication process. Now just wait for Squarespace to create your duplicate. This can take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on how much content your original site has. The more pages and images you have, the longer the process will run. You might need to refresh your dashboard to see the new site appear. Once it's done, the duplicate will show up as the first site in your account dashboard. You'll know it's the duplicate because the site title will end in the word copy in parentheses. So if your original site is called My Portfolio, the duplicate will be called My Portfolio Copy. A couple of things to know after you duplicate. First, the duplicate starts as a trial site. You can edit it and work on it without paying anything, and then upgrade to a paid plan whenever you're ready. Second, while your pages, content, and design settings all copy over, some things don't. Commerce data like products and orders won't transfer, and third-party connections like Google Analytics or email integrations need to be set up again from scratch. You'll also want to review your color settings under Site Styles, as these may need some adjustments. And it's worth double-checking that all your images and file uploads transferred correctly. And that's how to duplicate a website on Squarespace. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.